Camera battery died. As you can see, though, they packaged it in a little plastic bag or a little anti-static bag for the phone. Uh, they put the foam in there. Nothing else in there. Um, and I plugged the phone in to let it charge. However, as you may be able to notice, there is an absent SIM card tray. There's no SIM card tray. Furthermore, further checking, there is no S Pen either, which, if you'll recall, is the one thing that started all this, although it ended up being the device itself. Um, oh man, I don't even know what to say.